going to grab my regular Bowdabra. And for those of you who don't know who I am, I'm Sandy Sandler, and I'm the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. I'm going to take a piece of my Bowdabra Bow Wire. I'm going to fold it in half and lay this down into my Bowdabra. And I'm going to take my, let's grab this here. I'm going to take some of my silver scrunch, or Deco mesh. It's a 21-inch wide Deco mesh, and I'm just going to scrunch that down into here. Then I'm going to take my red Deco mesh, and I've got about a yard of the red and about a half a yard of the silver. And I'm just going to scrunch it down into my Bowdabra. And then I'm going to take one more of the silver and scrunch this down in here. Looks like I'm going to have to stand up for this one because we're getting pretty full already. We haven't even started. So I'm going to scrunch everything down. And you can see how we can just take our Deco mesh and bring this Deco mesh on the, while it's in here, bring this to this side and this one to this side. So we've got the red and then the silver. And my hat's probably in the way on this. And then what I'm going to do is take my wand out. And for those of you not familiar with the Bowdabra, there are springs in here, and that's what's holding everything in place. So now I'm just going to take my polka dotted ribbon. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, we have some great new ribbons on, let's see what we are doing here. Great new ribbons on our Bowdabra website. Our spring ribbons are in, and I got to see them for the first time this morning, and they're so pretty. So now I'm going to use my Bowdabra Scrunchy ribbon. So we're going to take our Scrunchy ribbon and put that in here. And take our silver, put that here. And take one more of my silver and put that in here. And then what I'm going to do is, again, I've got more tails that we're going to put in here of our polka dotted, and this is of our Amelia, and some people call this a Dupioni silk, but I just think it's really an imitation, but it's kind of like almost like a raw silk. And then what we're going to do is take this ribbon here, and we're going to just twist it, fold it back in. So, and you have to go to sleep now. Irene, thank you so much for watching while you were awake. And I'm glad you love this polka dot ribbon. I really do. And most of the ribbons that I'm using, except for the Deco mesh, you can actually purchase at Bowdabra.com. So that's really cool because our prices are very good. I'm going to twist this, and we have a lot of the rolls that we have on the site. So we're going to fold and twist and fold this back, whoops, over here, make one more loop and scrunch this down. And then I'm going to take my wand and we're just going to give everything a really good push into Bowdabra. And then I have another piece of our Bowdabra Scrunchy ribbon. We're going to lay that in here and take another piece and kind of lay that in there. And then I'm going to take this beautiful silk and we're just going to fold it back and forth. Thank you, Despina. And then we're just going to lay this down in here. And then I'm going to finish it with some of our red scrunchy ribbon. We're just going to scrunch this down in here. And take my wand. And take my wire. Now remember, I folded it in half. So I actually have a slip knot here to pull it through. Just going to pull everything really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. And just so you can see, there's a lot of ribbon in here. And now I'm gonna just pull it out, and you can see what's cool is I'm not struggling with this. I'm just gonna separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and we're gonna just tie a knot. And that's what I love about the wire, because it's so sturdy. And you can use it, and you know. So now what I'm gonna do is we're just going to fluff this out. I'm gonna bring this kind of through here, around this way, and fluff out all my loops, and bring all my tails. I'm actually doing it this way, so you can totally see what I'm doing. So anyway, we have this absolutely beautiful door bow or swag that can be a great Valentine's Day gift. So I hope you guys like this.